Oh my god, should I start with Boyo? But anyways, hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. Okay, I'm vlogging after a long time. I don't know, I just randomly started doing it. But anyways, today is my chutti. Okay, I just woke up. So I think probably I'll head for a shower and show you like how my day is like. I think I'm more in my black and white era right now more than colorful. So yeah, today again I'm gonna wear something black and white. So this is my fit for today. So I'm gonna start my skincare now after taking a very good shower. I love warm showers here in Canada. So after I get ready, I usually do puja. And I'm not kidding, like this is what my actual schedule is like during when I have my chutti those days. Before I used to not do puja at all, but you know with time I will realize like it feels good, like you wake up in the morning, get ready and do puja, it like calms you down early in the morning. And this is my setup. This is what my best friend draw for me to take to Canada. And मैंने अब अगरबत्ती वगैरह सब रखी हुई है. Now my puja is done. Now मुझे grocery करने के लिए जाना है. So I have to change the whole outfit because it's very cold outside. I don't know, I just feel like wearing a hat with it. We are ready to go out. This is the area. It's so beautiful today. I love this weather. Oh my god. And I feel extra happy today. Maybe just because I started vlogging again. I'm done with my groceries. Going home now. I might cook now. Maybe chicken बना लेती हूँ आज क्योंकि कल मेरी classes हैं. I'll also show you मेरी classes कैसी होती हैं because tomorrow we have a very interesting assignment. Not assignment, like in class activity to do, so it's gonna be really fun. Wait, I was going home, but I feel like I really wanna show you guys my favorite pathway towards my home. It says walkway close, use west side, but I don't know, still I use this one and it's like really fun. अभी आगे जाके you will see a lot of squirrels, ducks. जब मैं घर से निकली तब it was very windy, but now it's not windy anymore. मुझे लगता है मेरे vlog करते करते bicep बन जाएगा because for that you have to hold your phone like this and it's so hard. But obviously a process to enjoy. लोगों की क्रिसमस की तैयारियां भी स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं यार. Okay, came home, changed, but I really feel like snacking onto something. This crack jack. It's been like 3 years since I last had this crack jack. So you know what today happened? So I was like on a call with my family and you know like my little sister Saisha, उसने मेरे को बोला कि you know कि YouTube पे आप वीडियो क्यों नहीं डाल रहे हो, और like उसकी friends जो छोटी थी उस time you know like they are all asking दीदी ये वीडियो नहीं डाल रही, you know like मेरे को सब सुन के ना एकदम से ऐसा लगा कि maybe, और मेरे को इंस्टा पे भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऐसे मैसेज आए हुए थे कि you know कि आप कहाँ चले गए, आप वीडियोज़ क्यों नहीं डाल रहे करके. तो होता है ना कि एक random day आता है and like my family is also like motivating me to start again. Like I'll try to post it regularly. ये try करती हूँ, बाकी मैं अपने आप को प्रेशर नहीं देना चाहती हूँ because obviously it's like super hard to live alone. अगर हो सके तो maybe हफ्ते में एक डाल दूँ. I don't know, हो सकता है मैं हर रोज़ तो बिल्कुल ही पॉसिबल नहीं है. You know, you can also reach out to me on my Instagram. I know कि तुम सब भी बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे से थे. I don't know, like मैं 19 years की थी तो तुम लोग भी I don't know 16-15 years के हो गए. अब तो सब लोग बड़े हो चुके होंगे. Bro, it actually looks so good. Man, I'm so excited to eat it finally. So hungry. It tastes so good. It's very spicy though, bro. I love spicy food, no? Lol, I came back from that lake place and it's night already. Like it gets so dark in Canada so suddenly. Like it's just 6. Can you imagine? It's 6 and it's like night already. So now I'll just watch some Netflix and go to sleep. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Hello, good morning. It's like 8 in the morning. I have to quickly get ready for my classes. And yeah, I have 2 classes today. One is going to be a fun activity. Second one, I have some presentation to do. It's going to be fun. It's okay. I need to still learn how to get used to making videos because I just forget. I'm just like packing my food and putting it in my microwave and I'm like, shoot, I have to record. I have a vlog doing. I'm like, okay, here's my lunch for today. I'm gonna put it in my microwave. Lol, I thought like I'm getting late for class, but I'm actually early. I don't know, somehow I feel like this is God, that I'm always early for everything and have to keep waiting for everybody to come. I had a second class तो हमने vlog के लिए I was like and मेरी प्रोफेसर का बीच क्लास में मैसेज आया like उसकी तबीयत खराब हो गई है, that's why she can't make it to the class. I was like shit man, second class is cancelled. Oh shoot, I forgot to shoot. Anyways, I got a call from my friend, like she's calling me over to go somewhere out, so I like dressed up nicely because it's a girl thing. My friend is like really late. I don't know why is it about me, I'm always early everywhere. और late आती हूँ हम वापस हो गए. You're late, you don't want to say anything about it. How come you're always late? Bro, you're looking like a fucking foreigner, man.
I'm not looking like a foreigner.
You are looking like a foreigner. Come on, dude, with the freckles and all.
Please stand
You look
clear
like
of the
twins.
doors.
Beautiful friends. You wish.
I mean, you wish.
Can I get along? What am I doing? Can I get strong? Can I get...
बारिश हो रही है ब्रो. क्या खुल नहीं रहा है ऐश्वर्या? ऐश्वर्या क्या नहीं खुल रहा है? क्या क्या है तेरे पास में? What's in Aishwarya's purse? Tell me. यार ये मत कर यार.
Actually ना
ये लाइटर
बत्ती ली थी मैंने घर पे,
अगरबत्ती. हाँ
तो फिर वो माचिस की डब्बी नहीं मिली.
अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे तेरे को अगरबत्ती जलानी है.
एक सस्ते से स्टोर में टैटू की शॉप में लाइटर ले लिया.
क्यों चाहिए तेरे को लाइटर?
अगरबत्ती जलाने के लिए. क्योंकि सुबह जलाओ शाम जलाओ चारों दिशाओं को महकाओ लव यू विभूति.
कुत्ती. Cannot tell me.
What do you want to hear?
The song you were talking about, La La Land.
Yeah, the La La Land song.
Yeah.
It's like, it's like an instrumental, no?
Okay.
So, what do I tell you? It's
Do do do
like-
do do do.
I think it's it. So once you listen to that song, it will like open up your, I don't know what mind horizons,
Okay.
that you'll just look your life in that way. Oh, but it has like such different stages. And then once it becomes like very fast, you know, very fun,
Like stages
very
of life?
chaotic. Yeah, exactly. And one stage you're like very confident.
Yeah, बहुत
now,
हो गया यार.
And then you suddenly get someone,
Yeah.
and then you're like, this is the love. This is
Suddenly you get someone and
you're
you
like
suddenly
in a
feel so
fairy, in a
loved.
fucking fairy.
कहाँ मिलेगी ऐसी खूबसूरत जगह बातें करने की? It reminds me of some girl on Instagram. जैसी बात के जी आपका छाता उड़ जाएगा. Oh fuck you! You are exactly talking like her.
Hi guys. ये विभूति है. She's looking like a cute little rabbit. Is what I said.
You're my content for today's Instagram. I'm probably looking so cute. Hi. Bye.